Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to another video highlighting one more community welfare project of Baitul Salam, that is Baitul Salam Basic Health Unit. Baitul Salam envisions to provide the Ummah with accessible, affordable and equitable quality healthcare services. These health units serve in rural areas where hundreds of thousands of people suffer from various diseases as a result of acute poverty and systematic marginalization. What do these health units really do? Let's have a look. They provide free medical checkups and help raise health awareness. Free cataract surgeries are also performed that significantly enhances the quality of life and productivity. They arrange medical camps on monthly basis, providing free consultation, checkups and medicine to people in areas of Thar, rural Sindh and Punjab. Baitul Salam is trying its best to improve the general health conditions of underprivileged, marginalized and impoverished citizens of Pakistan. And you, my friend, are helping us in doing so by donating to Baitul Salam. That is why I want to thank all of you. Take care till next time. This is Anas signing out. Peace.